In the heart of Willow Creek, a small yet vibrant town brimming with community spirit, stands Emma, a baker with unmatched passion and a mission that's close to her heart. With her baking apron dusted with flour and a determined sparkle in her eye, Emma sets out to solve a problem that hits home. Her father, a sweet gentleman with diabetes, has long missed the comfort of soft, freshly baked bread. Armed with her love for baking and an unwavering resolve, Emma begins her journey to craft the ultimate keto bread loaf, aiming to bring a smile back to her father's face. As Emma delves deeper into her quest, the kitchen transforms into a lab where each ingredient plays a pivotal role in her scientific exploration. With almond flour, psyllium husk, and xanthan gum at her disposal, she becomes a maestro orchestrating a symphony of textures and tastes. These aren't just ingredients, they are the keys to unlocking the secret of soft, keto-friendly bread. Each one adds a unique property, from elasticity to moisture retention, crafting a loaf not just to satisfy dietary needs but to delight the senses. The journey of discovery is rigorous, but Emma's dedication is unwavering. In Emma's kitchen, the air is thick with the scent of determination and occasional frustration. Each attempt to perfect the keto bread brings new challenges. Loaves come out too dense or crumble too easily. Yet, with every setback, Emma's resolve strengthens. She meticulously adjusts measurements, experiments with new mixtures, and scribbles notes into her well-worn journal. This journal, stained with splashes of ingredients, becomes the chronicle of her journey, each page a step closer to perfection. Perseverance is her hidden ingredient, and with every batch, Emma edges closer to the breakthrough she desperately seeks. The breakthrough Emma had been striving for finally manifests in the warm, steam-filled kitchen. With unyielding persistence, she uncovers a revolutionary baking method, steam baking. This innovative approach envelopes her loaves in a gentle mist, locking in moisture and softness that rivals the beloved traditional breads. At last, her loaves rise splendidly, their crusts golden and textures fluffy. This mastery over keto bread, born from countless trials, marks a victorious milestone in Emma's journey. Her kitchen, once a battleground of ingredients and uncertainties, now heralds the success of her culinary experiment. The fruits of Emma's labor finally taste sweeter when she shares her perfected keto bread with her father. His eyes light up with joy, a heartfelt moment that signifies more than just culinary success. As word spreads throughout Willow Creek, her bread becomes a beacon of hope for healthy eating. Local health food stores begin to showcase her recipes, turning Emma's personal quest into a communal triumph. The community's embrace of her bread, not just as a product, but as a symbol of perseverance and innovation, crowns her efforts, making her small kitchen the birthplace of a local sensation.